Okay, it's Crazy Bundle for super cheap time. Don't miss it. This bundle is available for a limited time only at the time of this recording, 7 days, 17 hours. Let's see what's in this bundle. We've got 50% off. Oh, it's included. Included. All of this is included. There's a sale here as well, but this is all included in the bundle. These are included. Dog, mama, meow. These are included. Let's continue to scroll, shall we? Scrolling. All of this is included. I'm sorry, my dog said no. All of this is included. Okay, how much do you think this is worth? We're talking 423 t-shirt designs. 423 t-shirt designs. Zoo, all the way up to the top. $5, no, $3. Okay, so we'd be here all day if I walked through all 423 designs. So I'm just going to show you. I'm actually going to purchase this thing. I have a subscription here, so I'm actually going to download the bundle, and I'm going to show you exactly what's inside this bundle. Okay, so just like that, I magically signed in, and you can see here it says download the Mega Craft Bundle Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3, 423 premium graphics. Let's see what's inside this thing. This thing is so huge that it's going to take a while here to download. You can see the first bundle is 134 megabytes. The second bundle is 200 megabytes. And then the part 3 is 199 megabytes. So it's chugging along, and we'll open this thing up in just a second. All right, I'm inside Windows Explorer. Let's crack this thing open and see what's going on. Part 1. This is everything that's in Part 1. Yay. Oh my goodness. Let's look at Part 2. Part 2's got a lot of Christmas stuff in there. And let's look at Part 3. Part 3 is still insanely big. So you get all that for $3. So if you find $3 under the couch, there you go. Now each folder has inside of it multiple files. So here's one that says be the person your dog, and then you'll see here there's files. There's an EPS file, a PNG file, an SVG file, and then a DXF, which is like a cutting file. So you get each type, and I'm just going to pop open the file here to show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's what the EPS file looks like. I'm just using my old version of Photoshop just because it's easiest. I know some people go, it's super old, but it's like, who cares? I'm just using this as an example. So this is an EPS file, and we can see here that's the file there. Now the question that I get a lot from people is they say, okay, I've got this file, but if I just upload it to Redbubble, TeePublic, Merch by Amazon, I might get a copyright strike because somebody else also bought the file and they uploaded it 10 seconds before me, so they have the copyright instead of me. So here's how you get past that. It's a very easy fix. This is just a file. It's like an image. Okay, so I know it has text in it, but it's not a text file. It's an image. It's a picture. So what you would do is simply change something in this picture to make it significantly different so that you own the image now. It becomes yours. You just modify it. So I'm just going to show you a couple examples of what that would be. The first thing you can do is I'm just going to copy this layer. So I'm just going to duplicate it. So that's copied. Okay. I rasterize the layer. I then invert the layer. I then put the layer underneath, and I just move the layer slightly so that it becomes like a shadow. So you can see now there's a shadow underneath it. There you go. The image is now changed. So maybe a little too much. I'll just move it back so it's like not so ridiculous, but there we go. So you could do that. Then you could also maybe copy it and make it pink, for example. You could change the color on it. That's an idea. So it doesn't need to be some major overhaul. It just needs to be different. It's not the same design. I know it's a technicality. You're going, it's a rinky-dinky shadow, but that could work. Another option, I'm just going to get rid of this underlying the background here, is you could remove something in the actual image. So you could say, you know what? I'm going to get rid of the dog. Boop, just like that. And then I'm going to change this thinks. I'm going to move this over so that it becomes like here, for example. So I'm going to change it, significantly change it. That's a significant change. Oops, I missed a little piece there. I'll just clean that up. Bear with me one moment. Thank you for your patience. So be the dog, be the person your dog thinks you are. I remove the dog, I change. That's a different design. So I know sometimes people get hung up. They go, well, I mean, I got to make these major modifications. No, you don't. gone, gone. There you go. This paw, copy it, put the 2 paws there instead. Change this dog. I could change this dog. Remove this, pop in the word dog with a different colored font. Change this to red maybe. Just like that. And move it over, make it bigger. And maybe I'll make it like, say, 300. And bada bing, bada boom. Maybe I'll stretch this out too. Zoot. Make it a little bit bigger. I'm doing my own sound effects here. I'm working on a budget. So here we go. Here we go. Be the dog. Be the person that your dog thinks you are. There you go. I just changed the design. In 45 seconds, I made 3 alternate designs. And now I can upload these. And I don't need to worry about copyright infringement. I don't need to worry about that because it's not a concern. It's only a concern if you copy it exactly. So you can just make, maybe I'll make this a little shadow. Now I'm getting creative here. I'm getting a little crazy. There we go. So now I've got a little shadow that I can work on. Just like that. So again, I'm just using these as like examples. Please don't judge the artwork too harshly. I'm working on a time constraint here. But this is just an example of how you can modify a design. Okay, I'm going to put a link in the video description below. It's called the Mega T-Shirt Designs Bundle. And there's like 400 plus designs in here. I do want to point out the link that I put in the video description will be an affiliate link. And that means that if you do wind up buying it, I will receive a small commission. Again, this is $3. All of these things are included. I think it's a great deal. And like I say, if you're nervous about any sort of copyright, just modify the design a tiny bit. You can use Canva, Inkscape, Photoshop, whatever you're comfortable with. The list goes on and on. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Have a great day, guys, and happy creating.